Do you know about solar powers? Don't worry, you don't have to panic about. Yes, the great sun with all its great vitamins, and helpful growing. Did you know the sun has 175,000 terawatt? That's more than the power of the population. Someone thought one day to get the sun plus a machine to make energy. People thought that was crazy, but yet it had worked and is still developing till this day. Solar power is made out of unit sets, and unit sets are made commonly from silicon and crystal that is smashed up into a sandwich. Each silicon atom is connected by its neighbors. This makes the current into place so no current can't flow. Silicon solar have uses two different silicon layers. One is called N silicon, has extra electrons, and P type of silicons have space for electrons. When the two silicon meet, they are called p-n junction, leaving a positive side one side and a negative on the other. A light could be an example, tiny materials of photons shooting down from the sun, and when they touch, one of the photons strikes the silicon cell, it will knock energy from the bond. This will make the silicon positive and negative to move around. Because of the p-n junction, it will go from one path. House need more volts than one panel. The panel has to be around the house roof or all around the garden. Did you know that the solar uses reflection then absorbing in the panel? Then what's the issue? The issue is that most of the economic is replaying on oil, even if there is peak oil. Money mostly come from oil, and jobs could be lesser because of self-working energy. Another issue is could be areas like England that have mostly cloud areas that would not let some parts of England have energy, so they cannot be relied on. Dubai, an area only on winter that has clouds, have lots of sun, and half of his relaying is on solar power. But season change and night begins, they cannot produce energy, making it a blockage. Things like nuclear energy is used, and solar power is a secondary use of energy.